Assalamu alaikum students. Today is Tuesday, 28th July 2020, and today I'm going to teach you about infinitives. But before starting today's lesson, let's review the diary which was given to you yesterday. Yesterday I gave you as homework to write down 10 pronouns after reading the story My Early Home, and I'm sure आप सब ने story को read करने के बाद 10 pronouns को find out करके अपनी notebook में as homework write किया होगा. Let me show you how it was supposed to done. आपने इस तरह से I'm sure सब ने notebook का page prepare किया होगा. Homework, day, date, unit, my early home, topic, pronoun. Then I'm sure आप सब ने statement भी write की होगी. Write down the pronouns from the story. Then examples: he, she, her, him, they, you, I, them, their, we, me, us. What is a pronoun? Let's recall. A pronoun is a word that takes place of a noun in a sentence. एक sentence में जब एक noun की जगह पे कोई word use होता है तो वो word pronoun कहलाता है, right? Because आप ये देख सकते हैं pronoun, P-R-O-N-O-U-N. If I exclude pro, then what is remaining? Noun. So pronoun means that a word that takes place of a noun in a sentence, right? For example, अगर हम किसी का नेम लेते हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ़ आई वुड से दैट अली एंड अकरम आर प्लेइंग आउटसाइड. अली एंड अकरम आर playing with the football. So instead of saying Ali and Akram repeatedly, I would say they. I would use pronoun they, right? So they is the pronoun because they is gonna take place of noun Akram and yes, Ali. So these are the pronouns. These are a few examples of the pronouns from the story. And after completing the homework, I'm sure आप सब ने अपना index भी fill किया होगा. 27th July 2020 pronoun homework. All right. So it was all about your homework. Now let's move towards today's topic. Today we are going to learn infinitive. For this one, I would like you to take out your textbook, page number. All right, 31. This is textbook page number 31 and 30. Alright, we will begin from page number 30. Write down the day. Let me show you. Tuesday, 28th July 2020, and please highlight the word infinitive too. Here's a sentence from the story. I wish you to pay attention. What does she wish? She wishes for him to pay attention. It means that to pay attention. What is the verb here? Wish is the verb, right? Wish is the verb, but when we put to before a verb in a sentence, that becomes our infinitive, right? So we can say that an infinitive. What is an infinitive? Infinitive is a verb with to before them, right? Infinitive is a verb with to before them, right? So actually ये हमारा base verb नहीं होता, but हर verb से पहले जब हम to add करते हैं, that becomes our infinitive, right? So we can say that an infinitive is a verb with to before them. जब हम verb से पहले to को add करते हैं, that becomes our infinitive, right? Now let's take a look at some of the examples. We are asked to use infinitive here. यहाँ पे हम statement है हमारा, textbook page number 31. Complete these sentences using to plus a verb, right? Let me show you closely. Please highlight using to plus a verb. To plus a verb means कि यहाँ पे कोई आप verb use करेंगे और उससे पहले क्या use करेंगे आप to. It will make it infinitive. So please इसको highlight करें and write down infinitive right above this. Infinitive. I-N-F-I-N-I-T-I-V-E. Infinitive. Complete these sentences using infinitives. These sentences from A to F are incomplete. Only subject and main verb is given here, right? And we are asked to complete these sentences by using a verb and to before this. हमने यहाँ पे कोई suitable verb choose करना है और to के साथ इसको complete करना है sentence को, right? The boys were allowed to explore the fort. The boys were allowed to explore the fort. Make sure at the end you put full stop, right? Here you can see that I have highlighted verb with to before them. Explore is a verb, right? Explore means to discover something new which is unknown to you, right? So explore is the verb, and to before a verb, it makes it infinitive. Nobody is permitted to enter there. Enter is, is the verb, and to before them, it makes it infinitive. Nobody is permitted to enter there. Permitted is basic verb, but infinitive is to enter. C. Raheen likes to visit his grandfather. Right? So what is the infinitive here? To visit. The builders wanted to finish the work. Wanted is the main verb, and here we use a verb with to before them. Before verb से पहले हमने क्या use किया है? To make it infinitive. So infinitive is a verb with to before them. Infinitive वो verb है जिससे पहले to add होता है. We have always tried to help the poor. Right? We have always tried to help. Help is the verb, and when we put to before a verb, it makes our infinitive. You see, I have highlighted here infinitive. F. I long to play outside. Long. Long means wish. Long means wish. I wish to play outside. What is the meaning of long? Long means, यहाँ पे long means length नहीं है, it means wish. So please write down meaning here as well. I wish to play outside. I wish to play outside. So play is the verb, and a verb with to before them. जब verb से पहले हम to add कर देते हैं, we get our infinitive, right? So we can say that an infinitive is a verb with to before them. Infinitive में verb से पहले to आएगा, and that's how we get our infinitive, right? So make sure you write very neatly and put full stop at the end of the sentence, right? Let me repeat once again. The boys were allowed to explore the fort. Nobody is permitted. Permitted, allowed, right? किसी को इजाज़त नहीं थी. Allowed has the same meaning. Nobody allowed to enter there. Raheen likes to visit his grandfather. The builders wanted to finish the work. We have always tried to help the poor. I long to play outside. Long means wish. I wish to play outside. Alright children, so that's how you will highlight and mark infinitives in these sentences, and make sure you write very neatly, right? And don't forget to put punctuation at the end of the sentences. Now it's time to look at the diary. Alright. Well, today's diary is to learn infinitive, textbook page number 31. Today you have to learn the infinitives, book page number 31, right? So I hope all of you will learn the infinitives. Thank you very much. Look after yourself. Stay home, stay safe.